I want to talk about some feature functionality added to Vicinity 4.52, which is our September 30th, 2025 release. This one has to do with VicinityView tiles. Know that we've got two features similar having to do with VicinityView tiles. In another video, I talk about creating folders for tiles. In this one, what I'm doing is it's more of an administrative or an IT type role, where you might be wanting to copy one or more tiles from one user to another user's profile so they don't have to go set up the tile themselves. It's just an easy way to collect a bunch of tiles and give access to other users. And the way we do that is through a utilities menu item. So we've added this functionality under utilities. If you don't have this menu option, it may be because your user class hasn't been set up to have access to that. Or if you're the first person in off a new update, it's possible that it didn't update into your system, just a menu access. The way you set that up is under Setup System, User Classes. This is where we set up security and things like that, and more specifically menu access. So go to menu access, and you're dealing with it for a group of users, a user class specifically. And in this case, we do want to stay in the module setup. And down in the, you should see a menu option here that doesn't have a check. So if you're not seeing it, it should look like this. And all you need to do is put the check mark on it and then save and close. Restart Vicinity, close Vicinity, reopen it, and that's when the security is checked, when we're validating who you are. And now you'll see the published VicinityView tiles. Now, it's a pretty straightforward process. What we're looking at here are VicinityView tiles that have been put out there. I've created, I have 3 tiles sitting out here. You saw the status log and the batches today. I also have another one buried into a folder called MRP that I've got hidden right now. So you don't actually see that as a tile right now just because I've got that hidden. You can see that functionality in the other demo or the other release video for this release under as VicinityView tiles and the tile folders. Now all we need to do is pick which tiles we want to send to another user. So in this case, I'm starting here and I'm saying I want to pick these 2. Now I do realize that you have filtering capability here. So if you have a lot of users or a lot of tiles, you can use your filtering and just filter based on, let's say I'm looking for something with today and its name as an example. It doesn't need to be exact. It needs to be contains. There we go, batches today. And that gives me what I was looking for just seeing the tiles that I'm interested in copying over. So I've selected these 2 tiles, and I can pick the user that I want it to go to. So I'll go ahead and send it over to Seth. And all I need to do is say, send it to Seth, and it will go and copy those 2 tiles over into Seth's profile. And now you're actually seeing the tiles under Seth as well. Now, one thing I want to point out is because we've got folders, again, from a previous video, we've got folders, and we also have got user tiles and system views, all that mixed. What we have to do is we have to drop these tiles into the default folder because we don't know which folders the other user is going to have because those are really workstation specific. So we're going to drop those tiles into this first folder, and then you can just simply move them from one area to another section. Just kind of play with that a little bit and kind of see what you come up with, and play around with it and kind of give us a little bit of feedback on how that's working for you. This came directly from client requests to allow kind of the ability to have a central user pushing different tiles to different users. Anyway, we hope that helps, and look forward to hearing more feedback from you. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.